What is up, Norfolk Southern here, or Norfolk Southern 9806 Productions here, as I want to call it. Here I am, back at my old rail fanning spot, because I usually go down to the train depot and catch the Amtrak. Well, it's been a while since I've been down here. It's been a while since I've been to my old rail fanning spot, because, yeah, the dwarf signal actually helps me with the trains and stuff. And as y'all saw yesterday, I caught another Thunder Cab, even though I caught a Thunder Cab a month after that. No way, it was a Union Pacific Thunder Cab that I caught for the first time. Then the second time was a Canadian National ST70M-2 Thunder Cab. Also, guys, if you don't know, Canadian Pacific bought Kansas City Southern, and if any of my Roblox friends are listening, also you go. Also, as I was saying, Canadian Pacific bought. Excuse me. Kansas City. No. Canadian Pacific bought Kansas City Southern. And as you can tell, so Wednesday to Saturday is when they're going to be running. Thank you, Train Kid, for telling me, because I didn't know Kansas City Southern was bought by Canadian Pacific. Now I'm supposed to get like Canadian trains coming through Hattiesburg. So I gotta be there probably Wednesday and Saturday. Even though yesterday was Saturday and there was no Canadian Pacifics, just Canadian Nationals. Finally, I get to see Canadian trains. I bet y'all wanted but no, fuck, Canadian Nationals or Canadian. Shut. I know that, but I'm talking like fully Canadian. Because I never do get to see any Canadian Pacifics down here in Mississippi, because you mostly see them up in Canada and stuff. But I'm gonna cut the camera because I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to hear me talking. So hopefully it's probably a good train, a good engine, a good P42DC, or well, whatever. I hope it's just okay. I need to stop hoping, because every time I hope about something, something bad gonna happen. Okay, we'll cut the camera, and hopefully the signal will turn red afterwards. Well, guys, I only looked away for about, 5 seconds, and look, it's la red, just as I wish. Now the Amtrak pretty much just cleared Hattiesburg. He'll be clearing Pedal in a minute. Only if I were to go on that side, then I'll probably get a better shot. But guess what? Oh, what's up with the elderly people coming through here? Wait, respect your elders. What I hate about people just stop and look both ways, even though they know there's a damn... Excuse my language. Even though there's a dang train coming. As you can tell by the freaking red signal. And thanks to my mom not arriving on time. Well, that's my papa right there driving me. Here I am praying over here. For the love of God, blow your horn! Not dented. Every truck that I think has a train horn on it is not granted. But as we got the air. Hope this is Big Mo driving. Let me just right here. Here's where you get a better shot. And my tripod is broke, and I'm gonna have to get a new one soon. Guys, if this is the Amtrak 184 or 156, no wait, 156 is out of service. This is 184 leading. I really don't know. Ugh. I'm gonna be upset when all the P42 DCs are gonna be gone, pretty much sold to another train company. I'm gonna be mad if there's an SC44 Charger gonna come through here. If you guys know what I mean, because Amtrak just ordered new SC44 Chargers. That's rest in peace, F it. Time to shut my mouth. Dude, what's up with you doing an extra horn blast? Is this Big Mo or not? It is! It was! Well, Norfolk Southern out.